Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer.com. Let's take a look together at this RC Manufacturing Steel M Series Underbody Tool Box. Now this toolbox is going to be great for you if maybe you're an electrician or a plumber or a contractor and you're looking to get a secure, rugged storage solution to keep your tools and gear organized and very accessible while you're out on the job. This is going to be great for you if you use your truck or trailer for work or personal use and you want to maximize the available storage space without compromising cargo capacity. So this is going to be ideal for your flatbed trucks, your dump trucks, your trailers, just to name a few ways and few vehicles in which you could use something like this on. And this toolbox is going to mount to the underbody of your truck or trailer to give you up to 11.25 cubic feet of storage space. And that's going to be secure storage space. Now I do want to point out the brackets and hardware are not included to mount this into place. That is something that you would have to pick up separately from this based on your particular application. And let's talk about measurements here before we go any further. So looking at the overall length, we are sitting right at 60 inches long. Let me make that a little more straight there for you. So 60 inches long, and then looking at the overall depth or width, and I'm going to be measuring from the back here all the way to the front of the door, and hopefully you can see over my big head there. So we're sitting pretty close to 18 inches deep, and then looking at the height from bottom to top, 18 inches. So hopefully that'll give you a good idea whether or not this is going to work for your particular application. Now, as you can see, we do have these dual flush T-handles there, and this is going to be very easy to open. You're just going to lift these handles up. They're flush when you have them closed, which is nice. Give them a turn, and then that door is going to swing down. And if you notice here, we do have these retainer chains here. They're going to be adjustable. We have these brackets here at the corner, so you could adjust how far you want this door to open up, which that's a nice touch there. And so the door is heavy duty. It's got a good weight to it. And if you notice, I already have a toolbox in there, just kind of like a standard toolbox here to give you an idea of just what kind of storage you're going to have on the inside there. So let me see if I can turn this just a little bit and give you a slightly lower, maybe even a closer view there while I got the door open. So if you notice around the perimeter here, we have this automotive grade bulb seal. So that's going to do a great job of protecting your gear and everything that you have inside there from the elements, from road spray and things like that. And so I'm just going to go ahead and close this. And with that mirror stainless steel finish on the door, you're going to see how all the magic is done here in my studio there because of the reflection. But it's really is going to look pretty sharp. And I do like these handles because once you have them pushed down, you're not going to have to worry about walking by here and maybe a loop from your pants getting caught on the handle. You are going to get 4 keys, and I said you have secure storage with this, and that is indeed the case here. So 1 key is going to operate both of those locks, and so that's going to lock down those handles. So you're going to have plenty of keys here, 4 keys, and very easy to use, as you see. And so that's going to close very securely. And overall, this box is very heavy duty. This is constructed of heavy gauge, or heavy duty rather, 14 gauge steel. And this features a gloss white powder coat finish. So that's going to help with corrosion resistance. But with that white finish, which I don't see on a lot of toolboxes, I've maybe seen it, this kind of finish here and there. It's really going to look sharp. And this is, again, heavy duty. I had to have some help to get this on top of my table. So this weighs about 140 pounds. So when you're installing this, you do want to make sure that you have the appropriate support. So whether you're a contractor needing reliable, secure storage space for your tools and for your gear, maybe you're even an outdoor enthusiast looking for a sturdy, secure solution for your equipment, this toolbox is really going to be a great option for you to consider. Now, if you decide to pick this up and you get it installed, we would love to hear back from you. So please drop us a review, send us an email, give us a call, and definitely send us photos of what your setup is going to look like after you have this installed, because we would really like to see how you're using this and hear how you're using it as well. Well, I think that's going to wrap up our quick look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.